Friday. Don't put him through.
Yeah, she put me through. Hi, Nat. Everything okay? You need help?
I don't need help.
Yeah, I sent help.
Intruders, step aside. I won't ask a second time. Friday, please introduce our guest.
The Taskmaster. Origin unknown. Be ready. Taskmaster has the ability to master and replicate your fighting skills.
It's annoying.
This is a fight you cannot win.
T'Challa, the vibranium.
Leave it to me.
Got it. Let's go. Friday, seal off Bay 94.
Yes, Miss Romanoff. Bay 94 secured.
This is not going to end well for you.
Looking for this?
Not today.
You know how this ends.
That was it. Oh, look at them. See those bad guys trying to get up? They're beat up. Look at them. They're so sick. They're so beat up. Oh no.
Don't forget to tag me on your video. Hashtag Amazing Spider-Man. Hey everyone, looking good down there. Wow, this is a friendly neighborhood. Welcome to Avengers Campus. Hey, what's going on, guys? Oh, me? Well, you know, just spider stuff. Okay, time to run some tests.
Spider-Man,
Oh, hey, Sharon.
shall we conduct an altitude test?
Yeah, I guess I should do some work.
Always good to have the data.
On my way. Just need to find a clear path and something to swing from. Oh yeah, it's go time! Field testing! Okay, it's time to see what this suit can do. This is awesome!
Spider-Man!
I'm okay. The roof broke my fall.
That's it?
Maybe.
That was a special effect?
I'm good. I'm good. I bet this looks cool. I did that.
Looking good, Spider-Man.
Well, I have to work it out.
I meant the data.
Yeah, I knew that. Hang on. I'm just gonna jump down and meet you. Woo! Here we go. I'll be right down.
Set off an alarm, I'll be just fine. Set off an alarm. Don't worry, I got this. I just need to override a little sonic disruption. Done this millions of times. There we go, and disarm. See, I'm a pro. All right, moment of truth. I'm gonna travel across the galaxy to get back. Boom! Oh, look at this finely tuned stereophonic instrument. Y'all want to hear a song? Yeah! I mean, I gotta test it, right? Here we go. And it still works. All right, I'll take it from here. Here we go, dance party. Ooh, baby, here I am. Everybody do drag camera moves. Do it with me. Ready? Go like this. It's fake. We like to touch things. Come on, let me see solo. We gotta get going. That's not good. Definitely killed the party. Oh no, looks like I failed to notice the sensors. Like the ones pointed directly at me. Thermoplasmic sensors everywhere. It appears that the collector, you can track me anywhere on the planet. They must have flagged me as a rare specimen. Am I right? Am I right? Don't worry, I gotta think of something to get out of this. Alright, advanced creatures of terror, I'm so glad you're all gathered around casually listening in on the conversation I'm having with myself. The name? The Star-Lord. Legendary outlaw? This will do it. Friends with Groot? Gets him every time. And now listen, I'm trying to get back to my ship, but I'm being tracked by these thermoplasmic sensors. Let me explain. Thermo means heat. I knew that. I was testing you. And sensors are things that sense things. Basically, I'm being tracked by movement and body heat. So if I create enough movement, no. If we create enough movement, we'll generate enough heat. Scramble these sensors, and I'll be able to skip back to the ship. I got a plan. This.
It is a tradition in Wakanda that exceptional women are chosen by the tribe to train as a Dora. It is a great honor to take on such a special mission. In fact, tradition and honor are the first two tenets of the Dormilaje. Don't you worry, Baba. There are only 5 tenets you should be able to keep up. These are the values that govern everything we do. Tradition, honor, strength, courage, and compassion. This is why we salute Wakanda forever! In battle, it takes strength and courage to face our enemies. So, recruits, who among you thinks they have the warrior prowess of the Dormilaje? Brave warrior, come forward. To the blue line, where are you going? What is your name? Sahai. And where are you from? Warrior Sahai from the Cambodia tribe. But where does your strength come from, or your courage? Family, good answer. Your heart, very good answer. Give him a big hand. Strength and courage are like the sun. They have to rise out of us. But unlike the sun rising out of the ocean, the rising of our strength and courage is not automatic. We don't have to find it each and every day. We chant, Ni Jarumine, Zan Chi Nasra. Ni Jarumine, Zan Chi Nasra. This means I am a Ra. Repeat. And rhythm, I see you shaking over there. Let us put it all together now with me. Ni Jarumine. With me. Ni Jarumine. Za Chi Nasra. Louder. Ni Jarumine. Za Chi Nasra. Excellent work, recruits. Again. Jump, strike, crouch, drop. Did you all do your yoga stretches this morning? It is okay if you did not. This is not a real battle. This is for training only. I want everybody here to stand up tall. Imagine yourself holding a spear made of vibranium, and we will train together as one tribe. Now, let us begin. Jump, strike, crouch, drop. This side, I want to see you first. Show us. Yeah, strike, crouch, drop. Looking good, put your backs into it. In the middle, look. Oh, they want to challenge you on this side. Go. Strike, crouch, drop. They want the challenge. Again, last time, everybody. Jump. Nitorumine, I cannot hear any of you. Sa, chi, that's wrong. With Anna. Nitorumine. Sa, chi, that's wrong. Try this one. Nitorumine. Sa, chi, that's wrong. Nitorumine. Sa, chi, that's wrong. Last time. Nitorumine. Sa, chi, that's wrong.
Dr. Strange, what are you doing up there all by yourself? Look, you got a show to go to at 2 o'clock. This is what sucks. They just told us the Doctor Strange show is not happening today. Something canceled about it. That's like the 6th ride or attraction today. Oh, hey, that looks yummy. Ooh, looks very pretty at night, huh?